I came in not really knowing what area of law I wanted to practice. I was really fortunate to have the opportunity to do an internship the summer before law school, working at a big corporate law firm. But since I've gotten here and I've made a number of friends who are kind of in the public interest space, I've been trying to feel out what that looks like. This summer, I'm going to a public interest nonprofit in New York City. And so kind of my biggest goal is just to figure out what sort of lawyer I want to be. So the biggest thing that drew me to YLS was just the potential for making connections, especially after having been out of school for so long. I was drawn to the small community, and I spoke to a number of current students, and they told me about how easy it was to form bonds, both starting in the small group and then just the nature of it being such a small, kind of like insular campus. I started out last semester in Professor Foreman's criminal law small group, and then this semester I've had the opportunity to be a part of the Criminal Justice Advocacy Clinic, and that's had it's been such a quick kind of implementation of things that I was able to learn in class and kind of like abstract discussions that we had to working directly with a client and really understanding the stakes of what just a few months ago seemed very theoretical. So I've really enjoyed being able to make that transition and to actually do some hands-on work with the clinic. The clinic that has made the most impact on me is the Criminal Justice Advocacy Clinic, and kind of going in based off of the description and the clinical guide, I thought that I was going to be doing a little bit more like legislative advocacy and that sort of thing, but once I got in there, it turned out that we were doing work directly with a client, which has been extremely impactful. I didn't realize how small of a city New Haven is, and through that work, I've kind of felt like I've been able to get a little bit more of a connection to the city outside of just Yale. And I'm glad that I got that opportunity early on so that I can kind of build that over the next 2 years, as opposed to, being locked into a bubble that I feel like is all too easy to do coming to the law school.